Hey guys, if you want to see if I stay within budget for the week of July 2nd through the 8th, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I will be sharing with you what I spent money on for the week of July 2nd through the 8th. And these are my envelopes that I used. And yeah, these are some new envelopes I just released in my Etsy shop. I'll have that shop linked at the bottom of the video in the description box if you're interested. They come in a set of 5. So we got the $10 bill, $5 bill, 20, 50, and the $1 bill. I just thought this was different. I haven't seen any envelopes like this, so I want to create something fun and different. So yeah, check it out in my description box if you're interested. So let's go ahead and get into the video. First, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If this is your first time seeing my hands, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee and I am documenting my debt-free journey here on YouTube. My husband and I are consumer debt-free, so we are saving our spending money. That's what I'm using the cash envelope system for, to save more money. So let's get into it. So on July 2nd, I had a no spin. Yay! Can you see it? Nope, you cannot see it. Let's see if you can see it. Now, yeah, try to keep it interesting. No spin on July 2nd. I did not spend any money. Okay, let's go to Saturday, July the 3rd. I did spend $136. I had to order my dress for my daughter's wedding, mother of the bride dress. So of course I had a sinking fund for that. So that money came out of a sinking fund. Then I went to the Dollar Tree and spent $6.60. And then I also saw a sale at Bath and Body Works where they had their lotions 75% off. So I picked up some of those because I was told that I promised to host a bridal shower for my daughter. I don't remember saying that, but 2 people say I said that, so I guess I need to hold up. I guess I need to keep my word. So I went ahead and picked up 4 lotions so I can have those as door prizes. So I spent $16 for that. But what I did is took it out of the wedding sinking fund. That's why that W is there. So nothing came out of my cash envelopes for that purchase. And so we're going to go on over to, what is that? Oh my goodness. July 4th. Got another no spin. So we had 2 no spins within 7 days. So that's pretty good. So on the 5th, I just picked up some chips out of the vending machine at work. $1.25. That came out my savings. Sorry about shaking the table. That came out of my spending envelope. Then on the 6th, me and my husband got us some snacks. That came out of the spending envelope too. We stopped at a gas station. I went ahead and bought it because anytime I'm with him, he used a debit card. So I decided to use a little cash. And on the 7th, I went to Walmart and picked up some items, and they came out of the spending category, $36.47. And then I went to Guthrie's. I hadn't been to Guthrie's in years. My daughter wanted to stop there, and so I got me a box also, and it was $8.02. That came out of the the dining out envelope. And then later that day, I went to Target, spent $16, came out of spending. Then stopped back by Dollar Tree, and I spent $6.60 again on Wednesday. So Thursday, the last day, I went to Aldi's and got a little groceries. And then Walmart, I spent like $13 and some change. So some of that was household and the other was grocery. And I stopped by that wonderful Dollar Tree again. I've been to Dollar Tree 1, 2, 3 times this week. That's why I got an envelope for the Dollar Tree. So I didn't spend that whole $20. I'm just gonna go and let you know. Then I also went by CVS and picked up some household items. And I had some coupons, so I spent like $13 and some change. So yeah. So that's it for this week. So let's go ahead and count our oh, let me highlight it. I was supposed to highlight these as I was going, and I did not. So while I'm highlighting this, I want to ask a question. If you're watching this video, if you track what you're spending. I've seen a few people when I did my first video, they said they were scared to track what they spend because they spend too much money. I was thinking that's a good reason to go ahead and track it. But you know, everybody's situation is different. And everybody moves at their own pace, so they may not really want to stop spending. That's what I'm thinking if you don't want to track it. So just not ready right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and highlight this. So these videos, they kind of get a low views, but I'm gonna keep doing them because if it helps one person, that's okay with me. So yeah, I just document my journey to try to give people inspiration, let you know you can do it. So yeah, that's the purpose of my channel. And if you want to follow my journey, and if you want more tips on budgeting and saving money, go ahead and tap that subscribe button at the bottom of the video and tap that notification bell twice so you be notified when I upload a video. So we got everything all highlighted. So next week we'll do the 9th through the 15th. So let's look at our envelopes. So here we go. So I got one for coupons and receipts, and of course I have scanned my receipts to Fetch Rewards. And if you're not familiar with Fetch Rewards is a app that allows you to scan receipts so you can receive free gift cards. And if you're interested, I'll have my link in the description box, same place where my link for my Etsy shop will be. And when you download the Fetch app, please use my code and you will be given 2,000 points, which is equivalent to $2 to get started, and I'll be giving 2,000 points for referring you. Then they'll give you a referral code so you can do the same thing with your family and friends. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get into it. So spending was a little different this week. I normally give myself $100 cash, and so this week I gave myself $45 cash because I had like $55 on my Cash App, so I utilized that as part of my spending. So spending did not come out right. I'm just gonna go ahead and be honest with you. I don't know what happened, but anyway, that's $100. So I spent all the $55 that was on the Cash App. I spent all that, so I still had $45 cash. But according to this, unless I forgot to write something down, after deducting all the snacks and things I got from the spend column, I should have $29. But guess what? Mrs Vee only has $23. Yeah, I only have $23, so I don't know what happened to the other $6. So this is just real life over here. So you know, I'm off by $6. So that's $23 I have left in spending. So yeah, it happens sometimes. So that's spending. I did have something left in that. That's good. And so eating out and groceries, I was blessed with and fortunate enough to where I didn't have to really buy groceries this week. My excuse me, my daughter purchased them for me. So we had a little money left in groceries and eating out. So we had $65 for groceries and dining out. And after calculating, subtracting all the dining out and a few groceries I did buy, I should have $44. And let's see if we have that here. $44. So yeah, got $44. That one was right, but the spending was not right. I did a lot of spending. So we got that one. Then Dollar Tree had $20, and I spent the entire $20. So as you can see, that is empty. And personal and household, I picked up some household items, and it had $15 in here. And as you can see, that is empty. So that's it. That's going to conclude this video. Come back for my paycheck number 2 so you can see what I do with the money that I did have left in these envelopes. And don't forget to check the description box if you want to purchase these cute envelopes. I know they are colorful and they're not everyone's style, but you know, they may be helpful to, I mean, you know, somebody might like them. I like them. So I like them because they're different. So you know, I like different things. So that's it. That's going to conclude this video. This is Mrs Vee. I'm going to continue to show you love, and I'm always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.